Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to set up your own CAC reader at home. Now I got this Zoweetek CAC reader from Amazon. It was like $15. It's not bad. It's definitely not the best. If you can wait, I would suggest speaking to your education office or your supervisor about getting a CAC reader directly from base so that you don't have to spend any money. This one's pretty nice as far as aesthetics goes. I won't mind having it on my desk. Sometimes the connection can be a little spotty, but you just have to keep it flat. Make sure your CAC is inserted all the way. So the first thing that we're going to do to set up our CAC reader is first download the drivers for your new reader. So in this instance, I went to Zoweetek CAC reader driver on Google. This specific CAC reader came with a disc. However, my Surface Book does not have a disc reader, so I had to download the driver manually. Whatever reader that you get, just make sure to type that in and then find the driver for that specific model. Go ahead and install it. And once it's installed, open the folder. In this case, I went to the actual application, and what it tells you is to unzip the folder. So you'll unzip and extract the files. Go back into the application, double click and install. As you can see, when I click install, it tells me that I have already installed it. It'll have a few more prompts for you later on. Once you install it, just click through all of those and enable them. Now I'm inputting this link that is for 64-bit. I'll insert the links down below. You just copy and paste them into your browser. This will give you the file to install the DoD root certificates with InstallRoot. You will need these to run your certificates. As you can see, I've already installed this. Now we will open the settings in the address bar of Chrome by selecting Menu, Settings, you'll go to Privacy and Security, and then you'll go to Security. And you will scroll down to Manage Certificates. Once you're in Manage Certificates, you click it. As long as your internet browser is fully configured, you'll be able to access the DoD websites using the certificates on your CAC, which you should see in the window. And that's it. You're all good to go. You can log into your AF portal now. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and support my channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell for more content like this. and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.